Let us have a look at the diff command. The diff command also tells you which lines in one file have to be changed to make the two files identical. The important thing to remember is that diff uses certain special symbols and instructions that are required to make the two files identical. It tells you the instruction on how to change the first file to make it match to the second file. The special symbols are A, C and D, where A stands for add, C stands for change and D stands for delete. Each instruction uses address combined with an action that is applied to the first file. Let us understand this with an example. Let me again cat the content of file 1 and file 2. Now I type diff space file 1 space file 2. Let us look what this output means. The first line of diff output will contain line numbers corresponding to the first file, a special symbol, and line numbers corresponding to the second file. Note that the line preceded by a less than symbol are lines from the first file, and the lines preceded by greater than symbol are lines from the second file. In our output, we get that the first line has to be changed from file 1 and file 2. And next we get that we have to change line 3 from file 1 and line 3 and 4 from file 2 to make the two files identical.